there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you could accompany yourself on piano to Running Up That Hill by Kate Bush. So this song has been featured heavily in the newest Stranger Things series. Let me know if you're a Stranger Things fan and you've heard this song from there. So I'll teach you the main melodic sympathy parts and then the chords. I'll sing just as a reference. It is fairly repetitive and I've left the full chords and lyrics where you can access that down below as well. So I've just moved my camera down a bit. So here is middle C on my piano, so if you locate that pitch. This one's in the key of C minor, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C minor, C natural minor. So it's 3 flats, so the chords and melody will be formed using those notes. So we'll start with the intro. So the first chord, it kind of fades in with just, I guess it's based around C minor, but there's no G in there, it's just C and E flat. And you hold that down and the drum starts. And then we're into that part. Do the right hand first. So right hand is orange, left hand is blue. So we have B flat, G, C. You do that again. B flat, G, C. And you almost do that again. B flat, G, B flat, C. And then B flat, C, E flat. So the notes are on the screen. Remember to be writing this down. And then the last little bit of the right hand goes B flat, C. And again, B flat, C. G, F, E flat, C. So I'm going to play all that whilst counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Doesn't hurt me. And then into the verse. Now we'll do the left hand chords. So we've got A flat major, so it's A flat, C and E flat. If you don't want to play a middle note, just play what's called A flat 5, so you just A flat and E flat. And then we have B flat major, so it's B flat, D and F. Again, remove the middle note if you don't want to play 3 notes. 2, 3, 4. And then C minor, so C, E flat and G. 2, 3, 4, and then we play A flat again, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and C minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just 3 different chords there. And they're, to be honest, the 3 main chords with the whole song. There's a couple of extra ones in there as well. So if we put this together, so we have the C and E flat again, which is based around C minor. So the right hand comes in first. Chord. B flat major. And then C comes in with C minor. So I'll just do that first bit again, so just minus the chord at the beginning. So from the chord, 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 together, right, and then the left hand changes to A flat there, left, and then we play the C minor with the F. So I'll do all of that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. into the verse. So we have this quicker succession of chords are all held for 2 beats each. So now we're going to play chords in the right hand. You can play chords in both hands. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. So we have A flat major in the right hand this time now. So same notes, just playing it in the right hand. In the left hand, I'm just going to play A flat and E flat. So we've got 1, 2, B flat major. Again, same as before, but now I'm playing it in the right hand. In the left hand, I'm just going to play B flat and F. And then we have C minor, so C minor, same as before, and then just C and G in the left hand. And then we're almost going to go back to B flat. The only difference is that the left hand is going to play B flat and G, not B flat and F. So this is called a B flat 6 because we have this 6th note of B flat major in there. We've got this G in there. So you do that chord progression 3 times. So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we do half of that progression. We just play A flat and then a B flat. So I'll just demonstrate this first part then. It doesn't hurt me. Do you want to feel how it feels? Do you want to know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you want to hear about the deal that I'm making? You. Okay, so now we're into this next part. So we're just 3 chords here. So we've got the A flat major. And then we have a different chord. So it's E flat major. So this is an inversion, our first inversion of E flat major. So that's first inversion. So it's G, B flat, E flat over G. So G is in the bass. And if you want to play an E flat with your left hand in there, you can. These notes. So we've got you, and then we have F minor with an A flat in the bass. First inversion, so it's A flat, C and F. With A flat, you can add the F in there if you want to as well. So you're always playing like 2 notes in the left hand and then 3 notes in the right hand. And you do that chord progression twice. You. You and me, and if I only could. And then it's into the chorus. I'll just join it in from the very beginning. So now we're into the chorus. So again, very similar chords as we've been playing. So I'll give you a couple of options for this first chord. So it's an A flat major 7. So the notes we need are A flat, C, E, and then G. I'm going to opt to choose to play octaves in my left hand, just to play some lower, give it more depth for the chorus so it has more impact. You don't have to do that. You can just play, if you want to make it easier but still sound nice and full, you can play A flat and E flat, and then C, E flat and G in the right hand. It's up to you which one you'd like to play. So we have, and if I only could, I'd make a deal with God. So we have B flat major again, so the same as before, but I'm playing octave B flats in the left hand. Again, you don't have to do that. You can continue playing B flat and F in the left hand if you want to make it still sound full. And if I only could and make a deal with God, and I'd get him to swap our places. So just C minor, there, C's in the left hand, and you repeat that again. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. And then you play the intro part again, we call it like the post-chorus, and she's singing, if I only could. So I'll just play all of the verse now. So I may repeat the chord an odd time, usually on the last beat of the bar, like just before we go into the next chord. That often sounds quite effective. And if I only could and make a deal with God, and I'd get him to swap our places, be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. If only I could. So immediately after you've played the "You don't wanna hurt me," it's into the second verse. So the second verse is just quite a bit longer than the first verse, but the chords are the same. So it's on the screen. So the first chord progression you repeat 5 times, and you have the A flat and the B flat at the end. And then the A flat, E flat over G, F minor over A flat, you repeat 3 times instead. So I'll just continue into this second verse then. You don't wanna hurt me, but see how deep the bullet lies. I know where I'm tearing you asunder. All there is thunder in our hearts. Is so much hate for the ones we love. Tell me we both matter, don't we? It's you and me. It's you and me. We'll be unhappy. And if I only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if I only could. It's you and me. It's you and me. Won't be unhappy. So there, I just played it from the second verse through to the start of the bridge. So there's just nothing new there. So we have this bit again. After the second chorus, straight after the post-chorus. And then we've got this bridge part. So again, no new chords, no new chords from now on. We've covered all the chords. So the bridge section, so it's A, the A flat major, B flat to C minor. You do that 2 times. Then after you've done that, you play the intro part again. So I'll just demonstrate. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. Let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel. Come on, darling. Let's exchange the experience. so now the chorus, you're going to repeat that chord progression, the A flat major 7, B flat major to C minor, effectively 6 times for this chorus, and then there's an outro part as well. And if I only could, then make a deal with God, then I'd get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, with no problems. And if I only could, then make a deal with God, then I'd get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, with no problems. And if I only could make a deal with God, then I'd get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, with no problems. So the outro part is still A flat, B flat, C flat. You hold them down for a bit longer. So no problems. If only I could be running up that hill with no problems. If only I could, I'd be running up that hill. If only I could, I'd be running up that hill. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.